You ever watched videos or read articles about AI and ChatGPT and wondered how you could create your own chatbot? Well, today I'm gonna explain how can you do that. To get started, download Python onto your computer if you haven't already. Once you have Python installed, you'll also need to download Telegram so that you can test and run your chatbot. Finally, you'll need a text editor, such as VSC, to write and run the script we've created. Next, we'll need to obtain two Python modules. 1. Iagram, for creating the bot, and 2. OpenAI, for ChatGPT. To install these modules, simply use the command prompt and type this. We need to create a bot using BotFather on Telegram. It will provide us with an access token that we can use to connect our bot to the script we will make. After finding the bot, enter the command /newbot. Follow the instructions provided by BotFather to create a new bot and copy the API token. To start coding, the first step is to import all of the necessary modules into the text editor. We will create a basic chatbot that will repeat our messages, without using ChatGPT just yet. This will be our template for a functional AI bot. Initialize our bot token and set up the sending message process. This will allow our bot to interact with users and repeat their messages. We add code to respond to user messages, by repeating in this case. After creating the bot, we will need to obtain our OpenAI API key, which can be found on their official website. Simply copy the key from there. To use the OpenAI API in our script, we need to import the OpenAI module plus add our OpenAI API key. We need to initialize OpenAI just like we did with Iagram. Now comes the more challenging part. We need to make our bot interact with ChatGPT and generate responses based on user input, rather than simply repeating messages. Next, we need to add a line of code from OpenAI to our script. You can either copy it from my code or get it from their official website. There's a lot of modules you can use. Simply paste it below the message handler like. Feel free to modify or remove the first message response. I included it to provide users with a temporary message to read while waiting for the actual response to be generated.